This video will demonstrate how to edit your search query on EBSCO user interfaces. To edit a previously saved search, make sure you're signed into My EBSCO in the top right of the screen. To access your saved searches, click on the Saved section in My dashboard, then click Searches. Browse the list to find the saved search that you wish to edit. I'm going to be editing the search here on e-learning. Please note here I can view information such as my search results for this current saved search. As you'll see, when we edit the search, those search results will be updated to reflect the new search strategy. To edit your search, click on the three-dot menu, also known as the Tools menu, then click on Search Details. Here you can edit things like the search name. You could also add a description about this particular saved search. What we're going to do now is click on the Edit Search link. This takes us into the Edit Search screen, and from here I'm going to be including some additional keywords. You may also choose to apply some filters or even adjust your search options at this stage. When you've updated your search, click on Update Search, then Continue. Please note my results have been adjusted to reflect the new search query. The last thing you need to make sure you do is click on Save Changes at the bottom of the screen to ensure that your saved search has been saved successfully. Then click Close. From your saved search, you can then view details. You'll notice that my results have changed, and you can always view your search details by clicking the Tools menu to view the changes to that search strategy. Editing a combined saved search is treated a little bit differently at this point in time. From your saved searches, you can view the search details via the Tools menu. What you'll notice with the combined query is that there is no edit search. We can, however, copy the search string to the clipboard and paste it to run a new search. If I scroll down, I can also view the subqueries that make up this combined search. To edit a combined search, you do need to rerun the search by clicking on the title link. Then navigate to Recent Activity, and here you'll see your combined search and the subqueries that make up this combined search. You then have the option to edit each subquery. To do that, I'll click into Tools and Search Details. I'm going to click Edit Search to open the Edit Search modal. Once I have updated or edited my search, I'll click on Update Search, then click Continue, and then Save Changes and Close. You'll now note my S1, S2, and S3 search results have been updated. And if we review our subqueries, you'll see S3 here is the item that I've just updated. If we view the search details, we can see the changes have been applied here. Back in my saved searches, I can see my edited search here at the top, including those additional keywords that I've added in this subquery. And of course, my results have also been updated. In this example, I've just conducted a search. It has not been saved. However, I do have the setting called Clear Find Field After Search. So you'll note that I do have my list of results here, but my keywords are no longer visible. So to edit this search, perhaps to include some additional keywords, but also to check to see if I've got any spelling mistakes or anything else that I'd like to edit, what we can do is go into Recent Activity. In Recent Activity, we can view the searches that have been conducted. In this case, I do want to edit this search. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Tools menu and Search Details. Here I have the option to edit the search. And one thing I have noticed here is that I do have video gamed. I don't think that's very relevant to my search. So what I do want to include is video game. I'm going to truncate that after the M, so it's looking for video game, video games, or video gaming. I'm also going to use double quotation marks so that my keywords will be in that particular order. I can then also apply some additional filters here. I might actually choose to review only full text records, and anything published over the past 5 years. I'm then going to go ahead and update that search. At this stage, I'll click Continue. Here is my edited search, and last thing I need to do is make sure I save that change. Once I see that my change has been saved successfully, I'll click on Closed. And in my recent activity, you'll see here my search results have been updated. What I will also need to do is make sure if I want to access this search later that I save it. From my search history, I can click on the bookmark icon. And now if we visit my saved folder in my dashboard and click into searches, that search has been saved. And from here, of course, I can use the option to edit that search strategy. So that is editing a search via recent activity prior to saving it. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial.